very happy with our day here at DARC Build.
So this is the second day and we've got really good collaborations with architects and interior designers. And it's the right platform for any brand to come and showcase your products.
It's a wonderful event which is going on and fantastic platform for all the known architects or builders.
Thanks to DARC, thanks to DARC.
It has been a tremendous experience of rethinking going on with me. The last time I visited yours, and the number of products and halls and stalls that you have brought me back memories, and number of fascinating people who are visiting this thing really talks about the magnitude of your organization.
I'm really excited to be here at DARC year after year. I really truly enjoy.
I would like to congratulate DARC Build for such a magnificent, fantastic show of India's best.
I think DARC Build does this very well by bringing in the right number of brands under one roof.
We are here at DARC, one of the beautiful exhibition which is going on here in Bangalore, and we did visit all the stores, and it was quite a surprising that a lot of beautiful and innovative brands are here.
See you at Delhi.